Hello students, I am Sham sir. So once again, good morning to everyone. Today again we are going to continue our topic. In the previous period we were learning nouns. So in that period we have covered only definition of noun and we can say categories of noun. So today we will continue the topic, that is noun, and in this period we are going to understand types of noun. So I hope whatever concept we have learned in the previous period, so that you know everyone. Okay, so once again just short we will revise it. The name of people, places, animals, things, qualities or feelings is called noun, right? So today we are going to cover the topic, that is types of noun. So today's our subtopic is types of noun. So just pay attention and understand. Types of noun. So there are 5 types of nouns in English, but today in this period we are going to cover only 3 types of noun, and remaining 2 types of nouns we will cover in the next session. Okay, so first of all, understand nouns we have understand last time, but this time we will understand about the types of noun. Okay, so there are 5 types of noun. First one, common noun, then proper noun, third is collective noun, then material noun, and last one abstract noun. But in this session we are going to cover only 3 types of nouns. Okay, because last time also I told you the concept of noun is very vast, so it will take more sessions to complete it, but your ideas will be clear, I am sure. Okay, so we will understand types of noun. So there are 5 types of nouns. So see, we can say one picture I want to draw here. See, look, like this pot. Okay, and then here I want to draw one flower. Okay, my drawing is not good, but you can only understand. Okay, and here there are 5 types of nouns. So we will write here types of nouns. Okay, so first, as we discussed, first one, that is common noun. Common noun. Second one, proper noun. Second is what? Proper noun. Third is collective noun. Collective noun. Fourth one, abstract noun. Abstract noun. And last one, that is material noun. Material nouns. So wherever you are be asking question, so you have to tell 5 types of nouns are there. Common noun, then proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. So these are the 5 types of nouns that we have to understand, and one by one we will understand what is common noun, what is proper noun, what is collective noun, what is abstract noun, and what is material noun. So wherever you will understand the concept, so definitely there will not be any doubt in your mind, and you will understand the types of nouns, and you will be able to understand the correct type of noun. Okay, so the students will be able to identify types of noun. So more time there will be question in the exam ki identify the noun and its type. Okay, the pattern of the question in the exam that will be asked to you, identify the nouns and its type. So at that time we have to read the sentence carefully, and we have to identify the noun first, and second thing then its type. Is it common noun? Is it proper noun? Is it collective, abstract or material? Okay, not only in the exam or in academics, but that types of questions are also asked in your competitive exams. Those students are preparing for MPSC exams, those who are preparing for UPSC exams. So in that competitive exams these questions are asked. Apart from that, Navodaya exams, Olympiad exams and other competitive exams, so these types of questions are asked. But when your concept will be clear, so I am sure कि there will not be any confusion about noun and its type. So one by one we will understand what is common noun, what is proper noun, and what is the difference between this common noun and proper noun. Clear? So see, the word itself is showing us common noun. So what we can say, common noun refers general or common names of people, places, animals or things. Understand, general or common names. Okay, in general we will discuss with the names, or in general we will talk about the things, or in general we talk about the people. For example, in general I can say boy. Okay, whatever boy is there, so I can say boy, right? It is in general or in common I say. Okay, another example also I want to say, that is chair. This one is also common, right? If I want to say fan, this is also common noun. Marker, this is also common noun. Mobile, common noun. So whatever nouns I can use in general or in common, so all these nouns are called common noun. I hope the concept is clear. Okay, so maximum or most of the time we see common noun. Understand? Okay, I hope you are getting. So in this way we can easily say that general or common names of the people, places, animals or things are called common noun, right? So one by one we will understand. Boy, common noun. If I am talking about hospital, this is the place, so hospital, common noun. If I am talking about tiger, common noun, right? Then if I am talking about marker, common noun. So what these are? These are the common names or general names of people, places, animals or things. So we will understand, see, whatever we have understood by this common noun. So here we can say boy, right? Then chair, okay, then mobile, then fan. So these are the examples of common noun. Okay, the same examples we can use in the sentence also. For example, the boy is going to school, right? So the boy is going to school, in that sentence boy is common noun. Suppose the same example is there, the boy is going to school and instruction is there, identify the noun from the given sentence and its type. So definitely we will identify this boy and its type is common noun. So in this way there will be question in the exam, or it is the pattern of question that you will find in your exam. So I hope common noun is clear. Most of the time we use common noun, right? Now second noun, that is called proper noun. So from the definition or from the noun, title of the noun, it shows us proper. When we are talking about the specific or particular name of people, places, animals or thing, understand here. Here we are talking specific or particular name of people, places, animals or things, then it is known as proper noun, right? Suppose here I was talking in general boy, but when the name is again given to that specific boy or particular boy, for example Mahesh, so this Mahesh is known as here proper noun. Are you getting the point? So I hope you are getting. So boy, common noun, but again name is given to the boy Mahesh, so Mahesh will be known as proper noun. Understood? Right? Suppose if I am talking chair, so suppose in general I say chair, but if name is given there, for example Nilkamal chair, mango chair, then name is again given, so that we can say proper noun. So if I am talking about Nilkamal, right, so this will be also part of proper noun, because we are not talking about other chairs, we are talking about Nilkamal chair only, specific or particular thing. Getting? Suppose mobile, so in general I can say mobile, so mobile will be here common noun, right? But when I am talking about Samsung mobile, right, specific or particular, right, Samsung, right, Samsung mobile, so again it will be proper noun. Understood? I hope the confusion or the idea is clear between this common noun and proper noun, right? Okay. One more important thing, wherever we are writing proper noun, so first letter of proper noun always should be written in capital letter. If you will look here, so first letter I have written here capital, right? So one trick also we can keep in our mind. The trick is that wherever you will find in the sentence the word which is starting from capital letter, so most of the time it is considered as proper noun. Okay, so this will be the easy task or easy trick to identify proper noun in the sentence, right? So I hope you understand difference between common noun and proper noun. Suppose if I am talking about here children, right? So children is considered which noun? Common noun. But when I am talking about specific name of that particular child, okay, so name is for example there Sachin, so again it will be proper noun. Okay, so we can say wherever we have to write the names of our friends, our own name, our father's name, our mother's name, name of countries, name of month, again we can say name of weeks, right? So these are all proper noun. If I am talking about only month, right, so month we can consider here common noun, but in month I am talking specific, that is June. Okay, so June is proper noun and first letter I have written in capital. Okay, so this thing is very important in common noun and proper noun. So I hope you understood the difference between common noun and proper noun and your concept is clear now. Okay, so don't be confused between common noun and proper noun, right? Sometime if the common noun is at the beginning of sentence, at that time only the first letter will be capital, but rest of the time common noun's first letter should be small. But if we are beginning with the sentence, then the first letter should be capital when we are beginning the sentence. But generally the first letter of common noun is always written in small and first letter of proper noun is always written in capital. So I hope the concept and idea is clear about these both types of noun, that is common noun and proper noun, right? So shall we go ahead? Now we will discuss about third one, that is collective noun. So name is also suggesting us what is collective noun. So collective noun refers or denote to the collection or group of people, animals, right? It will be considered a group or collection. Then only we can say it is collective noun. Understand? For example, if I am talking about the group of lions, so what I will use there? Pride. Pride, pride, and then I will add a pride of lions. Okay, so only this single word is also known as collective noun, pride. But when I will write this whole part, that is a pride of lions, this will also consider collective, because I am not talking about one lion. So here I am talking about the collection, or what we can say, group of lions, right? So what I will say, a pride of lions. One more example I would like to give over here, that is a flock of birds. See, so here only flock is collective noun, but if I am writing only flock, that is also collective noun. But with phrase, if I am writing a flock of birds, that is also collective noun. If only I am talking about lion, then it will consider common noun, because in general. But when I am talking a pride of lions, then it will be collective noun. If I am talking about only birds, so it will be common noun. But when I will use a flock of birds, then it will be collective noun. I hope you are getting. Okay, so understand this difference. One more example, suppose if I want to talk a bunch of keys, right? So here a bunch of keys is also collective noun. Either I am saying only bunch or a bunch of keys, both are known as collective noun, right? So whatever part today we have covered, we understood about the common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So what is the difference among these three types of noun? Common noun, proper noun and collective noun, that we understood. I hope you are getting and your concept is clear about common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Yes? So if you like this video, so you can subscribe to our channel, and you can share this video with your friends, your relatives, and again if you want to give any comment on this topic, you can. So I hope you understood this concept. So before going to end this part, we will see more examples of common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Okay, so here I am going to make one chart, and in the chart we will write down more examples. If you know the answer, you can also tell the answer, or you can revise the answer, or you can tell the answer in your mind, right? So here I am making one chart, and in the chart we will understand simultaneously all three types of nouns. So I am making here three tables, 1, 2 and 3. So first one, that is what we have learned, that is common noun. Okay, common noun. Here proper noun. Okay, and here collective noun, right? Collective means collection or group of people, animals. Proper noun, specific name of people, places, animals or things. And common noun, general or common names of people, places, animals or things. Suppose in common I am writing here marker, right? Suppose I have written here marker. So in proper noun I can write camel marker. Are you getting? Because again here specific name is given, camel marker. If I am talking here, then bunch, right? So I can say bunch of keys, or only if I have written only bunch, that will also consider collective noun, right? Suppose one more example, if I want to write here boy, so what will be proper noun? We can give any name, that is Sham, right? Here we can say collective noun, that is colony, colony of ants, right? So we can say colony or colony of ants. Next one, we will write one more example, that is chair. Okay, in proper noun we will say Buldhana, it is a name of place, so we can say Buldhana, it is also proper noun. And in collective noun we can say pile, right? Here we can say pile of papers, so we can say pile of papers, it is also collective noun. And if you are telling only pile, so that is also collective noun, right? One more example we can add over here, that is table, T-A-B-L-E, table. If I am writing another noun, for example India, I am talking specific country, right? So India. And here in collective noun I can say pride, already we have understand this example, pride of lions, you can say only pride or you can say pride of lions. So these are the more examples of common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So I hope you understood the difference among these three types of nouns and you have understood the examples also. So whatever homework that I want to give you, can you tell me more examples of common noun, proper noun or collective noun? And if you are watching this video, so you can take one chart and on the chart, you can take one paper and on the paper make the chart like this and write down lot of examples. So then only your confusion or your idea will be clear, because it is said that perfect practice makes man perfect, and wherever we are doing more practice, so automatically we will be perfect in that particular topic or in that particular field. So practice is needed, so you can write more examples of common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So note down your homework. Your homework is make a chart of proper noun, common noun and collective noun, right? So I hope you understood the concept of noun and its type. Remaining two types of nouns, that is abstract noun and material noun. These two types of noun again we will continue in the next session. So till that time we will stop here. But I hope if you like this video and you feel that the information which I am giving you, it is valuable for you, so you can subscribe to my channel and share this to your friends. Okay, so with this we will stop here. Thank you and have a good day.